In this video I will show the process of heat treating a carbon steel blade. I use thermal coating to protect the steel from carbon migration. The carbon in the steel reacts with oxygen when hot, especially at the surface. This can result in loss of hardness. The air intake gets lowered to make the climate in the forge oxygen low. The first part of the heat treatment is the annealing. The blade has to be red hot and it has to slowly cool down to room temperature to make the steel structure more even and relaxed. The steel tends to warp in its old form when not annealed properly. The steel gets quenched in medium speed oil. I wait for the boiling point to pass. The blade is tempered for 1 hour at 190 degrees Celsius. As I have to wait, I will work on the guard and pommel pieces. Pieces get sandblasted to generate an industrial look. blade is straw color underneath the coating. Every heat has its own color. As it's a Cyberpunk 2077 blade, it has to have advertising on it. Cyberblade could be a company name in a dystopian world. The cyberpunk genre has a strong connection with Japanese pop culture. The blade gets fire tempered. I do a differential temper, making the back of the blade softer but very tough. I also use the temper heat for brazing, giving the blade a brass coating. The handle parts get a black coating using a gun blue solution. Here you see the blade in front of my own dystopian shop. Now with the handle parts integrated, it looks extreme.